Hey there, I'm Sam and I'm the curator for Roots January Mini Pretty Club box. I am so excited to have you here. These are some of my very favorite products and I can't wait to walk through the box with you. So to begin with, the box includes a full-size product, which is JC Pretty Paint, which if you haven't used our Pretty Paints, I highly, highly recommend it. Pretty Paints are versatile, hydrating, cream color products, and this is so lovely on. This is a color that's very easy to build and create a richer color, or if you just want a wash of color, it's so easy to apply to. So here it is. This is a swatch. This is applied kind of a medium coverage. I'm going to show you it swatched lighter if you're just looking for a little wash of color, or if you're really looking for a punch, JC's got it. So you can see there's so much versatility to these products just this one product, 3 different color options. I'm gonna swatch the other eyeshadow colors available in the box for you though. So first one is Heirloom. It's a color that I have loved with Root forever. It's kind of almost blend into my skin tone here, but it's a shimmery light cream and I have been using it as a highlight for a very long time. The next color is Cobblestone, which is a cool gray. Works very, very, very well as an all over the lid color if you're looking for a matte neutral color option. And then the deeper eyeshadow color that I chose is Cat, which is this glorious deep warm brown. So, so pretty. And then the final color that I chose for the box, I'm going to use the full-size tube just for ease of use on swatching, is Loyal Pretty Balm, which is a gray everyday color for your lips. We have the Blue Tansy Beauty Sleep available in my box as a trial. I love Blue Tansy products. They are incredible for skin that may be sensitive. It gives a powerful punch of nourishment and hydration into your skin. To begin with, I want to make sure I have a clean face, so I'm using one of our add-ons that is available, the Pure Glow Blue Tansy and Watermelon Beauty Balm. I love this. This is available for 20% off with the box, and Blue Tansy products, my skin just adores them. I have super sensitive skin and it helps calm my irritated skin, and this is just such a hydrating product. So I wanted to show you guys it on. So here's the product. You can see that it comes out like a thick lotion or balm. The Blue Tansy option has almost little beads in it, and you can just rub it on your skin throughout. And you'll see that it will get like a really, really nice shine. You can also rub this on any irritated skin that you get on your elbows, anywhere that you have on your body that tends to get irritated. So you'll just get this really, really nice shine with it. And then I'm gonna wipe that off. My skin needs a little bit of extra hydration, so included in the box is a trial size of the Blue Tansy Beauty Sleep. So if you're looking to give your skin a lot of hydration, my skin tends to get dry right on the bridge of my nose. I know a lot of people get dry skin here. Rub it right into your skin, and for me it makes the biggest difference. So up next, I'm going to be using the Pretty Booster Plus, and I have this available in 4, and I love to apply it with our number 33 brush. Just one little pump right on the brush head, and then I dot it around on my face and blend it in. Finish off my look, I'll be using the Pearl Powder Foundation in W3.5. This is also available at 20% off with the Mini Pretty Club. Roots Pearl Powder Foundation is absolutely my #1 favorite Root product. I'm going to be applying this with our number 36 brush. After I get my base done, I like to do my eyebrows because it feels like it completes my base. So I like to use a deep brown brow powder. First eyeshadow I'm going to use is Cobblestone. I love this cool tone gray. I will be applying it with the number 18 brush. Up next, I will be using Heirloom as my inner eye highlight. I love it on my inner eye highlight and underneath my brow bone. It can also work for me, since my skin is a smidge darker, as a bit of a highlight on my cheeks. And now in my crease and outer corner, I will be using cat eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the number 27 brush and just smoothing out the edges. You want to make sure that your eyeshadow goes up on the edges so it pulls your eye up. So I like to just smooth out underneath to make sure we're going in the right direction. Next, I'll be using our 100% Lash Mascara. Just got a brand new applicator and tube. I love this product. It is so buildable and easy to use. The full-size product in my box is JC Pretty Paint, and I absolutely adore this color. It is a really rich burgundy, pink, purple. Lovely. Love to apply it with number 33 brush. Going back through with number 27 and just smoothing out the edges. My box also contains Loyal Pretty Balm. I love our Pretty Balms. My purse is full of them. They are lovely to keep my lips hydrated and moisturized throughout the winter months. They are made with incredible, nourishing ingredients. So this is the first version of my look. But if you're looking for more of a colorful punch, pretty paints can come in, make a big difference. So if I would like a bit more cheek color, so easy to apply it. A little bit more flush into the cheeks, so easily buildable. So here's a mid-tone lip by combining Loyal Pretty Balm and JC Pretty Paint. But if you're looking for a really rich lip, continue to build the color out. Or my latest fun trick has been to use Cat on top of JC. So love all these colors. I love layering the eyeshadow on top of the Pretty Paint. It creates more of a matte lip, longer lasting. So the other add-ons for my box I love so much. Pretty Forever palette, so gorgeous, what a lovely product. You can fit all your pressed eyeshadows at top and Pretty Paints down below. I actually have two. And the other add-on for this month is December Blush, which is such a lovely, 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 lovely color. I'll show it to you here, swatching on my arm. You're getting a shimmery, peachy pink. This would be probably my everyday staple blush color. Thanks for joining me in my tour of my mini Pretty Club box. I am so excited to see the looks you guys create. Make sure to tag me in them. I love these colors so much, and I hope you do too.